Hi guys, I am here back with the Joann Fabrics construction update in Hanover, Pennsylvania. So let's go take a look. Yes, I was over there with the crumble and the Norman's Hallmark. I did not expect to do this one, but I was getting pizza tonight, so I figured why not. So there's like poles, so I don't know what they're gonna be. Probably entrances. I think like entrances is gonna be like thing for it. Doesn't even have a tenant fit out thing, so I don't even know why. Like, I've heard this was gonna be. I have no idea what it's gonna become, so. So yeah. So yeah, I have no idea what the store is gonna become. This was the Spirit Halloween last year. I don't know if I did a video or not, but I definitely think I was here a bunch of times to know it. And yeah, you could tell that was a Spirit Halloween. It was a Spirit Halloween. And yes, the wall is still from Joann Fabrics, so you can't see everything in there perfectly. So yeah, let's see inside. I have no idea what this is becoming. So guess we'll find out when I keep coming back for construction updates. Yes, the abandoned Goodyear I felt, that's now Alex's Auto Works place. So yeah. And yes, a 7 Brew winning that stupid Burger King. Would have preferred a Dairy Queen. Don't you guys? Because we have a million of those. Anyway, guys, this is Sean here for the Joann Fabrics Hanover, PA construction update. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more content just like this. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Bye, guys.